On the test bench, I've got the Pool Controls acid dosing pump. We've got it connected to an SG chlorinator, but it will connect to other models the same way. It's simply one cable that connects it, and it plugs straight into the pH port. Very simple. It also comes with your acid injector and hose. So this is plumbed in before the chlorinator, meaning water's coming through the acid doser into the cell and then back to the pool. This unit here, the motor turns clockwise, so that means this tube here on the left is going to go down to the acid drum, and the one on the right is going to your injector. So quite simple to plumb. What we need to do is, when you first turn the chlorinator on, it's going to prompt you about dilution of acid. So in most places we want to dilute the acid, and we do that 1-to-1. So 5 litres of acid and 5 litres of water together in a 10-litre drum. So the first time you turn it on, it'll automatically ask you, but this one's already been done, so I'll just go back to that menu. So acid dilution, and this is how it'll boot, just like that. Acid dilution, and we want to click yes. Acid 1, water 1, yes. We can adjust it, there are other options, but we want it on 1-to-1, and we hit enter. And it will go back to the main menu. That's basically it. The only other thing we need to do is to prime the system. So we've just hooked it up, we've got acid and water in the drum, and we want to get acid feeding through the system. So to do that, we're going to go into the menu. Now that it's plugged in, we have an acid menu. We press up, go straight to acid menu. We'll go into that, adjust manual dose, enter, or yes, and just hit it up. We want to run 100 ml through the system. So what that's going to do, it's going to wait till the chlorinator's on and running, and after the 2-minute warm-up, and then this pump here is going to pump 100 ml of acid from the drum, which should be enough to fill all the hoses. If for some reason you've used heaps of hose in the plumbing, you may need to put more than 100 ml through, but you can always do it more than once. That's it, that's the Pool Controls acid dosing pump.